Okay, so this is tips number 27. So in this video we will learn how to speak with ChatGPT and how to provide. So whenever actually we are learning how to speak with ChatGPT or any other artificial tools, right? So whenever we will ask to ChatGPT or any other artificial tools, so what we will do, we will tell ChatGPT, we will ask ChatGPT, so you think visually, suppose what may happen next 5 years, next 10 years, you just provide me a visual output. So we will create pressure on ChatGPT or any other artificial tools that you visualize those things and provide me the output. Okay, so suppose today is like this, so tomorrow what will happen, you just visualize based on this my data, based on this my input, based on this my prompt, so you visualize it. So what will happen tomorrow, what will happen next month, what will happen next week, what will happen next year, what will happen next 5 years. So we will create a pressure on ChatGPT or any other artificial tool to visualize those things, visualize the outcome. Okay, so this is it, how we can do it. Visualize is a or visually is a very powerful keyword. Okay, so here we can see describe a landscape. So we are asking ChatGPT that hey ChatGPT, you describe landscape. Okay, it's a very general question we are asking to ChatGPT. Okay, just a minute, we are asking ChatGPT a general question, describe the landscape. So instead of that, if we ask this thing, it will provide a generic answer. Okay, so instead of that, what we can do is we can do visually describe the landscape of the Grand Canyon, including its geological features and colors. Okay, so we are asking ChatGPT, we are creating some pressure on ChatGPT that visually you describe it. Visually you describe the landscape of the Grand Canyon, including its geological features and colors. Okay, so here we have used the keyword visually describe. Okay, again the example number 2 is explain a process. It's again a very ordinary question, very common question we are asking, very broad question we have asked, so it will provide a broad answer. So it is very difficult to understand. No, it is not very difficult, it will provide a broad summary, so we need to read it and then we need to summarize it. So for information purpose, as I told earlier also, for information purpose, for knowledge purpose, it is correct, but if you want to use it readily, so it is not the correct one, so you need to modify that prompt. Okay, so what you will write, provide a visual description of the process of photosynthesis, including the role of color plates and sunlights. Okay, so you are asking ChatGPT that visual description, this is a very powerful keyword he was using, that is provide a visual description of the process of photosynthesis, including the role of color plates and sunlight. So you are telling ChatGPT visually you decide it and then provide me the response. Again the example number 3 is discuss the art. Okay, it will provide a generic answer. Okay, as the question is generic, so instead of that, what you can do, describe the visual elements of Vincent van Gogh's painting Starry Night, including color, texture and composition. So you are telling, you visualize the color might be different, color will be this, theme will be this, you visualize those things and accordingly you provide me the outcome. Okay, so let's practice. Describe a landscape. Again, let me refresh it. Okay, so I have asked the describe a landscape. So it's saying, sure, imagine a serene landscape where rolling hits. Okay, so it has given me a broad answer. Okay, it has given me a broad answer. It might be a detailed answer, but I don't want it as of now. So what I will write, I will write this thing. This is the better prompt. Let me ask this. So it will provide me a detailed and professional response, to the point and accurate answer. Okay, so here you can see that I told her that visually describe the landscape of the Grand Canyon, and including its geological features and colors. Okay, so here it has given the Grand Canyon is a breathtaking types G of geological wonder. Imagine a vast expanse where. So it has given a detailed information based on the, it has visualized, actually it had visualized the my topic, and it has provided my details answer. Okay, it has provided a details answer. Okay, so again let me go to another example. Explain a process. So you are asking ChatGPT that explain a process, so it will provide a generic answer. Okay, let's check. So yes, we have asked a question, that generic question, explain a process. So it has given me a details. Sure, let's take the process of photosynthesis as an example. Okay, so as the photosynthesis I mentioned earlier, that's why it has taken automatically that topic, and it has created a accordingly it has created a process. Okay, the photosynthesis is like this: absorb some light, water splitting, formation of energy carriers, carbon fixation. Okay, so all the detailed information it has given, but I don't want the detailed and informative as of now, so I need a specific answer. So in that case, what I will do, I will provide a prompt like this: provide a visual description. I will write this: provide a visual description. Visually, I am telling ChatGPT that visually you think it. Provide a visual description of the process of photosynthesis, including the role of color plates and sunlight. Let's see how it responds. See, it's responding like a professional input, more standard input it will provide. So visualizing photosynthesis can be quite elegating. Visualizing photosynthesis can be quite elegating picture. Okay, so now you can see that hello. Okay, so now you can see that the detailed and informative answer is here. So visualizing photosynthesis. Okay, so here the color plates, here the sunlight absorption, water splitting, then energy carrier formation, carbon fixation, glucose production. So all the details are here. So now you can see, you can compare the content. So here you will get more accurate details. I'm sure that here you will get the more accurate details, more accurate information, more professional information you will get, and based on the visualization ChatGPT has created for us. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you. Okay, so it's pretty clear to you. Then whenever you are asking something to ChatGPT or any other artificial intelligence tool, there you need to use the keyword visual description. So what will happen is, the idea behind is, whenever you are telling ChatGPT will visualize those things. It might be happen next few years, next few months, next few days, it may happen. It will visualize, okay, that kind of thing may happen. So based on that it will provide the output. Okay, so yeah, I think it's pretty clear to you, and create your own example and practice it, and you will get your better prompt. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.